Transform your Webflow sites into immersive visual narratives by mastering the art of the video carousel. Let's dive into creating dynamic video carousels that will captivate your audience first. Ensure you have your video clips ready and uploaded to Webflow Media. We'll start by adding a new section to our page. This will contain our carousel inside this section. We'll place a container element to help us manage spacing and alignment. Now, within our container, we'll add a div block. This div will act as our main carousel wrapper. Give it a clear name, like Video Carousel Wrapper. Crucially, we need to set its display to Flexbox. We'll align its items to the center and set the direction to horizontal. This is key for our videos to sit side by side. Inside this wrapper, we'll add multiple div blocks, one for each video you want to display. Name each of these video slide. Each slide will hold a single video. Within each video slide, div, drag and drop a video element in the element settings panel. Select custom video and upload or link your first video clip. Repeat this for every video slide. Now, let's make it slide. Select your video carousel wrapper. Again, under the size settings, set its overflow to hidden. This will neatly hide the videos that aren't currently visible. For each video slide, we'll set a specific width. For example, 100% of the viewport width if you want full-width videos, or a fixed pixel value if you prefer. This ensures consistent sizing. Time for the magic. Select your video carousel wrapper and navigate to the Interactions panel. We'll create a while scrolling in view interaction. For the element trigger, choose Scroll into View, then, under Element Actions, select Move. We want to animate the position of our video carousel wrapper as the user scrolls. We'll set the X value to animate horizontally, started at 0% and end it at a -% that corresponds to the number of videos you have. Effectively pushing them to the left, the exact percentage will depend on your slide widths. And there you have it, a sleek and engaging video carousel that breathes life into your Webflow projects, enhancing your storytelling and keeping your visitors hooked.